Shalom Aleichem, welcome to Assyrian Dishes. I'm Julian and today we'll be making vegan tahini rolls. So let's start baking. These are the ingredients for the vegan tahini rolls. You'll need 3 to 3.5 cups of all-purpose flour, half a cup of vegan butter, 1 cup of almond milk, lukewarm, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 8 grams of active dry yeast, 1/4 cup of icing sugar, and 1 tablespoon of flaxseed meal. For the filling, you will need 1.5 cups of crushed walnuts, 3/4 of a cup of tahini paste, 1/4 cup of date molasses, and 1 teaspoon of cardamom. For the icing, you will need 1 cup of icing sugar and some almond milk. And this is how your vegan tahini roll should look like. It's a great, delicious vegan dessert, or great for Soma. So enjoy! Remember to subscribe to my channel, like, comment and share this recipe with your friends. Don't forget to visit my website at assyriandishes.com for more recipes. Happy cooking, everyone!